Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Tuesday, 1st December 2020. It's your maths period. Today our topic is weight. It's page number 123. Students, open page number 123. First of all, you will write here classwork and short it, that is 1st December 2020. Our topic is addition. It is easy to add kilograms and grams. Add the following. Look at this. We just add kilograms and kilograms columns and grams columns. Now look at this. Tanveer buys 500 grams of peanuts, 100 grams of coffee and 50 grams of cashew nuts. What is the total weight? Look at this. It's 500, 100 and 50 grams. So when we add it, it becomes 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 650 grams. Next B part is a kitten weighs 490 grams, another kitten weighs 385 grams. What is their weight taken together? We add 490 and 385. Answer is 875. Next C part is Rehan buys 250 grams of biscuits on Saturday and 400 grams on Sunday. What is the total weight of biscuits he buys? When we add 250 and 400, it becomes 650 grams. Now come to the copy work. Students, you will maintain your pages, the margin lines. After that, you will write here classwork and Tuesday, 1st December 2020. Our topic is weight, addition. It's page number 123. Underline it with color. After that, you will write here exercise and to solve these. Then you will write here statement A part. And after that, you will find solution here over there like this. 500, 100 and 50 grams. Answer is 650 grams. Next you will write then B part and find the answer. Answer is 875 grams. When we add 0 plus 5, it's 5. 9 plus 8, it's 17. We write 7 here and 1 will be carried over there. 4 plus 3, it's 7. 7 plus 1, it's 8. So the answer is 875 grams. After that you will write here C part. After that we will find solution. 400 plus 250. 400 plus 250 is 650 grams. Students, you will solve just 3 parts A to C, okay, on your notebooks in a very neat handwriting and send me your work, okay. Take care. Allah Hafiz.